Hello everyone, I am Ogundipe Oluwadamilola from Nigeria, a conservation scientist and PhD student at WSL Switzerland, where I am expanding my conservation expertise. My passion lies in using evidence-based approaches to solve conservation and sustainability problems in Africa and beyond. At WSL, I am gaining deeper understanding of spatial skills that directly enhances my research in the African context. But today, I would like to talk on two projects that have been completed in Nigeria to show you and demonstrate to you how I have been living the manifesto. First, my research developing crown ratio and diameter distribution models for nuclear the stands at Omo Forest Reserve, Nigeria, availed me the opportunity to work directly with local foresters and government agencies to develop evidence-based forest management tools and models. During this project, they were able to know the stock they have on ground. They were able to know the diameter classes of trees they have, which informs them of the trees that should be cut and those that cannot be cut. During this project also, models were developed for them to be able to predict the future growth of their trees. A second project is the Environmental Impact Assessment Project carried out at Ibadan Sawmill, Nigeria, where I and my team conducted comprehensive stakeholder consultation to determine how the operations in the sawmill affect the workers and also the communities around them. The information gathered during this project enabled us to make recommendations that directly prioritize the welfare of these people. These two projects already embodied African-led evidence for Africa's future. At Omo Forest Reserve, the models were co-created with local foresters who already understood their ecosystem. At Ibadan Sawmill, community voices shaped the evidence and all recommendations. I also know that this manifesto stresses the need to build on existing capacities and not deficits. I recognize that these local forestry professionals and the communities already possess deep knowledge. My role was just to provide a scientific framework that will amplify their understanding for policy use. All the approaches I have used over time allowed for an inclusive, equitable evidence where local expertise are not just consulted, but they are central to research design and the outcomes. Finally, I would say true African-led evidence happens when local voices are not just informing our work, but they are driving it. Thank you for listening.